I am Sagar Patil.
My name is Rohan Navnath Subose.
Our project name is development of a test bench for a battery motor controller assembly. This is a for a multi-rotor drone. And our guide is Dr. A. Thakre sir and this is producer.
Next,
ते फायनल इयरचं आहे प्रेझेंटेशन
project stage 1.
कुठे लिहिलं आहे प्रोजेक्ट स्टेज म्हणून फायनल इयरला दुसऱ्यांना ऑडियन्सला माहीत नाही
Project stage.
दिस वन इज द थर्ड इयर और सेकंड
फायनल
त्यावेळी
इयर
मेन्शन द्यायचं पुढच्या वेळी हो
These are the contents of the PPT. Presentation, problem, etc.
Drones are used in photography and surveillance delivery. Drones are used everywhere nowadays for delivery of various medical and Amazon and various companies are trying to use drones for delivery of their various products like mobile phones, and they vary from size to size and number of propellers. So to deliver the product at right place and at right time, we need good control for the drone. If the drone is not controlled properly, it can fall anywhere or deliver the product to wrong place. So our project is testing for drone. We are using testing platform that we made to test the drone so that it will not make any mistakes while delivering the products. In this test bench, we can check drone parts easily, and it is very user friendly, so that anyone can test by basic information of the drone parts, and we can analyze the performance of drone and make changes that required to increase the efficiency of the drone. Next. And this project, the test bench for drone, it is software based. We are using MATLAB software for development of the test bench for testing battery, motor, propeller, assembly of the drone. And we can use performance testing of the drone, and various data of the drone can be collected and studied so that development of easy for the drone. We test the efficiency of battery, motor, propeller assemblies, and our code or the program we develop is user friendly. Next.
This one is your objective or
Introduction.
but you have mentioned we our what does it mean? This one is introduction or I think our and we whatever you have mentioned there it's regarding your objective means we test efficiency of battery motor propeller you have already did or doing or will test the that scenario. Is that your objective or just talking about regarding the drone?
First, we are giving basic information that what we are doing, but next clear objective is given. It is only the basic idea so that listener can
So
understand.
don't mention our and we. Just
Okay.
mention aim is to enhance or just to enhance testing and evaluation. To test the efficiency of battery, motor, propeller. तिघांची पण efficiency टेस्ट करणार आहे.
Yes.
बॅटरीची, मोटरची आणि propeller. How to take the test or efficiency? Getting my point? There are two different words, test and efficiency. Efficiency one of the test. म्हणजे efficiency is calculate करायला तुम्हाला number of test लागतात.
Yes.
Don't mention test efficiency.
We will change.
Efficiency is the calculation parameter.
Yes.
And for that calculation, we want to do some types of tests, that like open circuit, short circuit, or whatever.
Yes.
The generator, motor, and to use proper wording and revise the wording.
Okay. Definitely.
These are the literature we are using in this project, so we can this literature will help us for
literature review. Only 3 papers have you reviewed.
There are six.
There are more
Six
than
papers.
six,
Six papers.
but
One for
we
us.
had here few.
Research is the only publisher and
Platform.
is not a platform, that is not a journal. So revise that. Research कोणत्या कॉन्फरन्स मध्ये झाला आहे किंवा कोणत्या जर्नल मध्ये झाला आहे ते मेन्शन करा. त्याचा फोन नंबर मेन्शन करा. यू हॅव मेन्शन द जर्नल अँड year of publication. That is okay. But conference name is important.
Yes.
And journal name. And describe something regarding that literature. Don't just directly mention designing like what they did. That is your outcome.
Previously. So first paper we studied for this project is test bench for battery motor propeller assembly designed for multi-rotor vehicles. These are the authors and
No
this
need,
is the
no need. Just talk about the title. In this paper, they have did so and so.
in this
paper,
paper
short.
in this paper they use the MATLAB data processing that also we use the for multi-rotor performance evaluation. In the next paper, design of experimental test bench for UV type converting plane by this author, and in this paper, dynamic modeling of UV analysis using SolidWorks. They use the SolidWorks software, and we are using MATLAB. Similarly, in this paper, designing implementation of test bench with PID controller for variable pitch propeller systems. They use the PID controller algorithm for the testing or making test bench. Next.
The problem statement. The problem statement is that motor, battery, and propellers are they need to work in a team. This is our main problem, and then this testing is costly and time consuming, and also the sources to test these parts are not available. By considering this problem statement, our main objective is to design a test bench which will be used to evaluate the performance of battery motor propeller and give us a safer environment.
For testing the
We have mentioned that problem identification. Problem statement is nothing but whatever paper you have made, you read that paper, understand, and what difficulty they have mentioned in that paper. That is your job to tackle, to mitigate, to reduce that difficulty. That problem identification or that problem statement must be there. This whatever problem statement you are talking about, that is not concerned with that paper, or yes or no?
concern because they are mentioned costly.
So again give one citation, the so and so paper number 1 or reference number 1 concerned with the first statement. So that will authenticate that testing and drone parts together with the challenge states that statements come from that
That
paper. And keep the hard copy ready.
Yes.
प्रॉब्लेम त्याच्यामध्ये मला कळू द्या.
Okay.
तुम्ही आम्हाला सांगायला बसले की पडवायला बसले?
नाही.
व्हॉट इज युअर मेन जॉब?
This here text is the problem statement. By reading the various papers mentioned in the literature review, we found what are the problems related to testing the drone. First is testing drone parts is challenging because there are so many parts and their working is very difficult to understand. So we need to design a test bench. The next problem with that paper mentioned is testing drone is costly and time consuming because we require various sensors and various structures to mount the drone and test it, and we require each time the components of drone that are very costly. Then we don't have much resources to check the drone parts. There are no software available to directly test the part. We have to make the test bench to do this work also. And another point is that motor, battery and propellers must work as a team.
To test the drone and its assembly, availability of availability of resources is not available
Yes.
in this not easily available.
Yes.
That's why we are going to prepare the test bed easily to test each and every part of the drone. That is your objective. Problem काय टेस्टिंग करण्यासाठी अवेलेबिलिटी नाही आहे म्हणून तुम्ही ते करताय बरोबर आहे आणि का करायची गरज आहे म्हणजे तो तुमचा प्रॉब्लेम टू गेट द प्रॉपर परफॉर्मन्स टू गेट द एफिशियन्सी टू आयडेंटिफाय द लॉसेस ऑफ मोटर तीन प्रश्न तीन उत्तर
The objectives that we determined by reading the problems, that is, we have to design test bench for multi-rotor drone components, and we have to evaluate battery, motor, propeller performances, and the main aim is to provide safe environment for the experimentation which is easy to use. So methodology is defining specific parameters intended to measure and analyze using test bench. First, we have to know what parameters we need to change. So we have to determine which parameters are there. So by studying various papers, we understood that what parameters are there which are crucial for testing the drone. That will be listed in next slides. Then development of mathematical models. After determining the parameters that we are required, we have to make the mathematical models. By referring various books and papers, we found some the mathematical models. From that we made models for our test bench. Designing MATLAB program for testing. Then the next step is to make the MATLAB program by using these parameters and models, and conducting test and analyzing result. We conducted a test on the various drone parts and analyzed the drones with analyze the result with real drones and database, and verify calculated parameters align with expected result. Then we check that if the real drone also takes same time as mentioned by our test bench, similar to various parameters, also we tested it. Next. Then this is the equations or mathematical modeling. We use the calculation of flight time. First parameter we know is flight time. It is the time taken or the time for which the drone can fly with the given battery life and various specifications of the motors. First is time is equal to capacity into discharge divided by average ampere drawn. This is the mathematical model where time is how much time the drone will fly. Capacity is capacity of battery in milliampere hours. That will be written on battery itself. And discharge. Whenever we consider the battery, there is a point that how much it is discharged. We consider that it is 80%. Then average ampere drawn. There are motors, so they draw currents. It is the average ampere drawn. Then we can know how much time the drone will fly. And this is the average ampere drawn calculation formula, in which the all of weight. First we have to calculate how much is the weight of the drone by using the motor weight, battery weight, its frame, various controllers. So total weight should be calculated. Then power required and battery voltage, that is 4.2, 12 volt, etc. Next slide. And this is the similarly for calculating thrust. we have to know first thrust to weight ratio. That is, if his drone weight is 2 kg, then to lift the drone, we at least need thrust of 4 kg. So it will ratio. Sometimes some drones require more thrust to weight ratio and total drone weight. Similarly, we can calculate the thrust next. So as far as we found in first stage of this project, we found these 8 parameters for testing, and the list is also growing by referring more and more papers. Flight time, motor thrust, torque, electrical power, mechanical power, and these 3 parameters. Next. This is it is not visible, but it is a program we made in the MATLAB, which take first input that required to calculate the required parameters. Then there is a calculating phase, and next slide, they give the result. In next slide, I will show the result. First, if we run the code, first it will ask for what is the frame weight in kg. Let us assume that 0.5, that is 500 gram is the frame weight with controller and etc. Then battery weight, then weight of the payload, whatever camera or the delivery product we added in it, also enter that. Then battery capacity, that is written on battery cell itself, that 4500 mAh. The discharge rate, battery voltage, enter the thrust to weight ratio and number of motors, that is 4. So the result is drone flight time. It will fly for 60 minutes. Then motor thrust is 19.2 kg, and torque, electrical power, and efficiencies are in percentage as shown here. Next. So we visited to our tinkering lab and tested real drone, so that we can verify that if our given program which given time is real or not, or correct or not. Next. Play the video. Video play करायचा.
क्लिक कर बरोबर
Escape करून प्ले कर. नाही दिसणार. Okay. We basically flying the drone for and calculated how much time it flies. Next. So these are the results. Flight time we get by our test bench and various parameters, and also if it was not possible for us to measure the electrical power and torque by real drone, so we use the database available on the web, in which people what done that they use the real drone, tested that, and uploaded on the website the test results. These are results for real drones. We tested with our test bench, and very slight errors are there, and we are trying to minimize that error by adding various parameters like air pressure, temperature, and wind and rain. That are parameters which change these small errors. Next. This is the database. This is for one motor. Then various motors are used, various parts are used. They measure this much parameters, and we tested it.
This is the flow chart. So first of all, we use the controller module. So this controller is given the motor and controller. So the motor, the battery. So the motor and controller receives the battery, and then there is a drone dynamics like roll, pitch, yaw, thrust that given to the speed controller. Then the data will collect from the controller and then visualize in a pattern. And then we can analyze test bench and the real drone, and this will the end of these are the softwares we are used to make the test bench. So first of all, we are using the MATLAB. The base of this project is the using a MATLAB.
This is a typical diagram of quadrorotor drone. There are four motors are used, and this is the electronic speed controller which are connected to fix up the brain of the drone, and then battery is connected. Typically lithium polymer battery is used.
The expected outcomes are various parameters like flight time, efficiency, power that we have already shown. These are the output. Then virtual testing will minimize the cost. So what will be the outcome? We can measure this and test the drone. So cost is reduced by virtual testing. We don't need real hardware, and it will help you to select suitable batteries and motors for optimal performance. So we can use this test result to select batteries that by using test bench. Then simulation findings will help user to make affordable and efficient drones. Next.
So these are the advantages of our test bench. So it will time saving for test of a drone, and we can performance the easy performance analysis we can do after using our test bench. It is a user friendly interface, and it will cost efficient as well.
Next slide. This is our work plan from the allocation of title to first stage. First we title selection, then research, and then planning, and also till that date.
At what stage you are now?
First project phase 1.
Week.
Uh,
So we are at immunization simulation for
then now we are optimizing the whatever the codes, and that is the 4 things. Next.
Conclusion: you create a safer drone testing, and the testing is faster and affordable, also time saving, and give a specific and customization parameter for drone.
Next slide. These are references we studied as mentioned in the literature review. These papers. Next.